We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and detailed evaluation of the rechargeable LED flashlight waterproof gloves by Perrigo. If you own these gloves, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The rechargeable LED flashlight waterproof gloves by Perrigo are designed to provide hands-free illumination for a variety of tasks. These gloves are marketed as a versatile solution for anyone who needs focused light while keeping both hands free. They are especially targeted at those who enjoy night fishing, camping, dog walking, or who frequently find themselves working in dark or confined spaces, such as mechanics, electricians, or DIY enthusiasts. The gloves come in a pack of 2, making them suitable for gifting or sharing, and are positioned as a unique and practical present for men and women alike, particularly for occasions like Christmas, birthdays, or Father's Day. The standout feature of these gloves is the integration of bright LED lights on the thumb and forefinger. This placement is intended to direct light exactly where your fingers are pointing, allowing you to illuminate specific areas without needing to hold a separate flashlight. The lights are powered by a rechargeable battery, which is a significant improvement over older models that required frequent battery replacements. According to the manufacturer, the gloves can provide 10 to 12 hours of continuous light on a single 1.5-hour charge, making them suitable for extended tasks or outdoor activities. The gloves are constructed from elastic polyester fiber, which is both lightweight and quick drying. This material choice ensures a comfortable fit for a wide range of hand sizes, and the adjustable strap further enhances the adaptability for both men and women. The gloves are also described as waterproof, adding to their utility in outdoor or damp environments. In terms of design, the gloves feature a modern, fish-shaped appearance that sets them apart visually from other hands-free lighting solutions. This novelty aspect is highlighted in customer feedback, with many reviewers noting that the gloves make for a fun and surprising gift. The gloves are lightweight, weighing just under 8 ounces, and are compact enough to be stored in a glove compartment, toolbox, or emergency kit. The product package includes 2 pairs of gloves, each with pre-installed batteries, and the gloves are ready to use out of the box. The inclusion of replacement batteries in the package is a thoughtful touch, although some users have reported that the installed batteries were dead upon arrival and required immediate replacement. Each glove requires 2 button batteries, which raises some concerns about battery longevity and ongoing maintenance, but the rechargeable nature of the product helps to mitigate this issue. From a performance perspective, the gloves receive high marks for brightness and utility. Multiple reviewers have praised the intensity of the LED lights, noting that they are more than sufficient for tasks such as wiring, plumbing, car repairs, and fishing at dusk. The focused beam of light is particularly useful for detail work in dark or tight spaces, where a traditional flashlight would be cumbersome or impractical. Users with aging eyesight have found the gloves especially helpful for illuminating small components or intricate tasks. The hands-free operation is a major advantage, allowing users to work efficiently without having to juggle a flashlight or rely on headlamps that may not always be aimed correctly. Fit and comfort are also frequently mentioned in customer feedback. The stretchy fabric accommodates a variety of hand sizes, from smaller women's hands to larger men's hands. The adjustable strap ensures a secure fit, and the gloves are described as comfortable to wear for extended periods. However, some users have noted that the gloves look and feel somewhat cheap due to the thinness of the fabric. While this allows for flexibility and breathability, it may also raise questions about long-term durability, especially if the gloves are subjected to heavy use or rough conditions. One recurring criticism relates to the positioning of the LED lights on the fingers. While the concept is sound, some users have found that the lights do not always align perfectly with the area they are trying to illuminate. This can require the wearer to twist the gloves or adjust their grip to achieve optimal lighting, which may be inconvenient during precise tasks. Despite this minor drawback, most users agree that the overall functionality of the gloves is not significantly compromised, and the benefits of hands-free lighting outweigh this issue for most applications. Battery life and charging performance are generally viewed positively. The rechargeable battery system is a welcome upgrade from models that rely on disposable batteries, and the reported runtime of up to 12 hours on a single charge is sufficient for most users. Charging is quick, taking approximately 1.5 hours, and the gloves can be topped up between uses without much hassle. However, as mentioned earlier, some customers have received gloves with dead, pre-installed batteries, necessitating immediate replacement. This appears to be an isolated issue rather than a widespread problem, but it is worth noting for potential buyers. The gloves' waterproof rating adds another layer of practicality, making them suitable for use in wet or rainy conditions. Whether you are fishing, walking the dog in the rain, or dealing with plumbing emergencies, the gloves are designed to withstand exposure to moisture without compromising performance. The quick-drying polyester fabric further enhances their suitability for outdoor activities. As a gift item, the rechargeable LED flashlight waterproof gloves have proven to be a popular choice. Many reviewers have purchased them as presents for fathers, husbands, boyfriends, and friends, often receiving enthusiastic responses. The novelty factor, combined with genuine utility, makes the gloves a memorable and appreciated gift. One reviewer noted that after giving a pair to their father, he was so impressed that he bought additional pairs to distribute among his friends. The gloves are described as an ideal stocking stuffer or inexpensive gift that delivers real value and enjoyment. In terms of drawbacks, aside from the previously mentioned concerns about light positioning and fabric thinness, some users have expressed reservations about the overall build quality. The gloves are described as looking and feeling inexpensive, which is consistent with their affordable price point. While they perform well for light to moderate use, it is unclear how they would hold up under heavy or prolonged use in demanding environments. The reliance on button batteries, even with the rechargeable feature, may also be seen as a potential weakness, particularly if replacements become necessary over time. Despite these minor criticisms, the overwhelming majority of reviews are positive, with users highlighting the gloves' practicality, brightness, and convenience. The gloves are especially valued for tasks that require both hands and focused illumination, such as working under the hood of a car, repairing household items, or engaging in outdoor activities after dark. The hands-free design is a game changer for anyone who has struggled to hold a flashlight while working, and the gloves' lightweight construction ensures that they do not become a burden during use. The gloves are also praised for their adaptability. The one-size-fits-most design, combined with a stretchy fabric and adjustable strap, means that they can be shared among family members or used by people with different hand sizes. The gloves are easy to clean and quick to dry, making them suitable for repeated use in a variety of settings. The inclusion of 2 pairs in the package adds further value, allowing users to keep a spare set on hand or to give 1 pair as a gift. In summary, the rechargeable LED flashlight waterproof gloves by Parigo offer a compelling combination of hands-free illumination, comfort, and versatility. They are well suited for a wide range of activities, from fishing and camping to home repairs and emergency situations. The gloves are easy to use, quick to recharge, and provide bright, focused light exactly where it is needed. While there are some minor drawbacks related to light positioning and perceived build quality, these are outweighed by the gloves' overall utility and affordability. The gloves make an excellent gift for anyone who enjoys gadgets or who frequently works in low-light conditions, and they have received high marks from users for both functionality and novelty. If you are looking for a practical, affordable, and memorable gift, or if you simply want to make your own tasks easier and more efficient, these gloves are a strong choice. Remember, if you have experience with these gloves, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Based on extensive user feedback and our expert analysis, the rechargeable LED flashlight waterproof gloves by Parigo stand out as a useful and innovative tool that delivers on its promises. Whether you are buying for yourself or as a gift, these gloves are likely to exceed expectations in most everyday scenarios.